How's everybody doing? Spike here in the Frugal Fixer shop. Today we're going to do a little investigating on this Baroque Fret File. Dan from Guns and Guitars had one, and then they changed it on him and had another one, and well, mine's completely different than his, so we got to test the thing and see what it does. I hadn't heard from Dan yet about if he'd tried this one yet, but we got to see if it works. So let's get at it. 5-minute test. Let's go ahead. Let's go try it out. Okay, when you're going to use a fret file to crown your frets, you want to take a marker and mark the top. At this fret, I colored the top of it with a marker. We're going to turn this file to this medium size. We're going to try it. And what we're going to do, we're going to try to take this off and just give us a nice straight line across there. And we'll roll it over the edge and just get that edge is what I've been finding works good. When that tape on there to protect it, you just take it and kind of roll it smoothly over the edge and let it get that roll over for you to make it a little easier to do later. Okay, and then come back on this side, do the same. Now we're going to take it and go right across the top of it a couple more times. Okay, can y'all see that thin little line from here straight across to here? Perfect little straight line that's left there. Now that's where that would be the contact with the string when you're fretting, so that's pretty close. But this little file, man, is flat, so therefore you can run it flat on here like this, and you can only get off that much each side. So if you just do this and you kind of roll it to that side, you can take a little off that edge and roll it to this side and take a little off that edge. And you kind of do that till you sharpen that line to get it just sharper and sharper as you go. So you look, see a straight line from here all the way across. We got a nice clean line now. This thing's fast. Take this off and go right across the top. Now what I've been doing is, like I say, rolling over that edge. You hear it? Now it's on wood. It's on metal. Now it's on wood. So we're just going to do that a couple of times so we get that rolled over and make it a little smoother before it rolls off. There we go. So that's good. We'll finish it up later with the other over here. I tried out the Baroque fret file, the square one here, the new one, and I'm going to have to tell you, I like it a lot. One thing is, it's flat on the profiles here, so you can't lean too far left or too far right and get off your bar. So you stay right on the top, and you get a real crisp straight line on the top of your fret when you do that. Dan recommends them, and I had to get me one, and boy, I'm going to tell you, I love it. So do me a favor, y'all drop into the links down there and use Dan's link to go buy you one on Amazon, because I don't do Amazon links yet. So yeah, let him get the kick off of that. It'll be good for my buddy. Does a great job unless you got one really, really boogered up, and you better pull out the triangle file to get it up a little bit before you start rounding the top, because it won't work. But if you do, you got it good. Mark your line and go at it. It does a great job. So hey, guys, thank you for coming by. I appreciate you all coming in. Hey, I hope you're learning something every time I throw one of these little short 5-minute ones out there. And I'm trying to keep them under 5 minutes. I fight it. You know, it's hard. But hey, remember this. God loves you and so do I. You can't take it with you. So do something to help somebody. See you next time. See you later.